Hi and welcome to Hideout Cooking's Christmas special event. We will be counting down until Christmas with 3 videos packed with all kinds of delicious Christmas recipes. Today, December the 1st, we're going to make Nutty Fudge. We hope you like to watch these videos as much as we like to make them. And if you do, please subscribe to our channel. It's completely free, and please remember to click the little bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Also, check out our new book, Cooking Made Easy in 30 minutes or less. It's a perfect Christmas present. I'll post a link to it below. Happy holidays from us at Hideout Cooking.